Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks in the kitchen again with a wonderful Detox video for you today. This is an infused fat burning drink that is delicious, that is full of antioxidants, and definitely wonderful for hydration and weight loss. Okay, so let me start off by showing you some of the things that you're going to need to make this drink work. Alright, I have in this strainer my strawberries. I have wonderful big size strawberries as well as blueberries. I have like about 11 strawberries and about a cup and a half of blueberries. You're also going to need either lemons or limes, whichever one you prefer. And I got 3 of them. And you're also going to need a cucumber. Now this is a very large cucumber. Just get 1 big cucumber and that's good. Now you're also going to need a pan because what we're going to do is we're going to boil our limes. In this concoction you're also going to need 1 liter of water. Alright, so we're going to start off by putting our water inside of our pan and we're going to bring that to a boil. In the meantime, we're going to take our limes and we're going to slice it. Now once you finish cutting your limes, we're going to start putting that in our water. Okay? So place your lime slices in your water and we're going to bring this all to a boil. Now while the limes is on the stove boiling, which is going to take a few minutes, we're going to take our cucumber and we're going to slice that into slices as well. Now for this, you'll be using your pitcher. Now if you have an infuser, that's wonderful. If not, that's okay too. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw in our cucumbers. And we're also going to slice our strawberries. What we're going to do in the meantime is we're going to put our strawberries inside of our pitcher. Throw it in there on top of your cucumbers. If you have some mint leaves, that'll be great to add to this as well. But I don't have any mint leaves. But mint leaves are optional, or is optional. And you're going to add in your blueberries. Okay, so right now we're just going to wait for our water to boil and then we're going to add in our lime slices. Okay, alright you guys, so we are back and our lime is cool. So now it's time for me to pour it into my pitcher. Alright, so after it's cool, pour it into your pitcher. Make sure you also include the lime in there as well because you want that to continue to steep in the water. Okay, so you're going to pour everything in there and then you're going to fill the rest up with water. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I filled it up with the water and look at how nice that is. I love the colors. I love how this is going to come out. What you can do is, well, what you're going to have to do is add this into your refrigerator. Let it stay in there and steep for at least 8 to 12 hours, okay? And then when you finish drinking this, you're going to refill it with water, okay? And when you refill it with water, you're going to put it right back in the refrigerator again and let it steep for another 8 to 12 hours. Now you can drink this throughout the day as a nice refreshing drink. You know, it's really good. It's full of antioxidants, it's powerful, it's a fat burner, and it's a diuretic, so it's going to make you go. You can drink as many cups as you like, all right? You don't have to add as many fruits in there as I did, but I wanted it to be really strong and potent, okay? If you have a bigger pitcher, that's even better. So put this in your refrigerator, let it steep for 8 to 12 hours, and enjoy this wonderful detox drink that's going to help to burn the fat off your body. It's also going to flush you, so you're going to be peeing a lot, okay? Just know that much. And it's delicious. So let me know down below how you enjoyed your detox infused water, and if you want to see more video ideas like this, list it down below. And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.